Okay, hello everyone. All right, so let's briefly talk about what are kernels and shells, and then we talk about the default shell and then the current shell. So a kernel is basically the core of the operating system, and it basically does things like allocating time and memory. So the kernel basically makes requests to what's called the shell, or the shell. Now the shell is the outer layer of the operating system. It's basically what we're seeing right now, and it's just our working environment. So the kernel makes request to the shell, and the shell responds back to us with what the kernel requested. Now there is the default shell, right? The default shell, and then there is the current shell. If I type in the command echo, oops, sorry, make sure this is selected, echo, and then a $, and in all uppercase shell, this is going to tell me the default shell, and it's telling me the location of it, which is bash, and I can see it actually here. If I wanted to know the current shell, because you could dive into multiple shells, which we're going to see in the next video, but if I want to see the current shell, I could type in echo, a $, and the number 0. This tells me the current shell, and notice it's telling me bash as well. These don't have to be the same, they can be different. This is the default shell when I open the terminal. This is the shell that it logs me into, and sometimes when I'm working, I could dive into other shells as well, and so that's why you can see the current shell. In the next video, we're going to see more of that. I just wanted to make you aware of this. If you have any questions, post down below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time in the next video. All right then, bye-bye.